Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you're all keeping safe and well and enjoying your day. So I'm going to get straight into today's video. As you can tell from the title, in today's video I'm going to show you what I'm going to be putting in Oakley's Christmas Eve box. Even though this box says on the front of it, hands off, no peeking until the 25th of December. This is going to be Oakley's Christmas Eve box, okay? The box is actually from Poundland. You probably would have seen it on one of my Poundland hauls. It's absolutely amazing. It comes flat pack and you build it all together yourselves, and this was just £1. Okay, but we're not doing the Poundland haul, Amanda. We are doing what's in Oakley's Christmas Eve box. And funny enough, most of the items that are going to go in the box is from Poundland, okay? So the last couple of days of Christmas with amandaoakince, it's kind of been like a Poundland vibe going on, you know. That's kind of that's not deliberate. That's kind of like, you know, that's just how it goes really. So anyways, let's get back to this video. Okay, so the first item that's going to go into Oakley's Christmas Eve box is this Combat Heroes Academy character, and this character is the Iron Warrior. Okay, and I've actually got this in Poundland and it only cost £1. So the character, the whole character comes apart, so you can take the hair off, you know, the arms, the feet, the legs, you know, similar to what you'll do with Legos. So this should definitely keep him entertained, like through Christmas Eve. So that's going to go inside the box. The next item that's going to go in is this Hot Wheel car. Oakley absolutely loves Hot Wheels. He's got a whole box of Hot Wheel cars downstairs, but we went in there the other day and he saw this one, and he hasn't got this one yet, so I thought, you know, I'm going to get it for him, but he's not going to know that I got it for him. So this is going to go into his Christmas Eve box as well. £1.50 in Poundland, so that's going to go in there. Next item that's going to go are these marshmallows. He's not going to eat all these by himself. He's definitely going to be sharing them with me and hubby. There's an Elf on the Shelf marshmallows. Okay, so in this pack you get the green Christmas tree shaped marshmallows, and then you also get some snowflake ones as well. Now, we've actually got these before, and Oakley absolutely loves the green Christmas tree one. He just eats the Christmas tree ones and leaves all the other ones. So the other ones I'll just use in hot chocolate, you know, these for him. So that's going to be absolutely perfect for Christmas Eve, you know. So me and hubby can have a Christmas Eve hot chocolate, and Oakley can have the Christmas tree marshmallows. So that's definitely going to go in there. Okay, the next item that's going to go into Oakley's little Christmas Eve box is a little bit of crafts. So we have done quite a fair bit of crafts, you know, during this Christmas period. We've done quite a lot actually. I'm quite proud of myself that I was able to actually fit all the crafts in, because that was one of the plans, that was one of the main plans that I had for this Christmas, was to sit down with Oakley and do lots of crafts. So one of the crafts that he's done was these Christmas crackers, you know, that we've put onto his tree. Plus there's some other crafts downstairs, so this is going to be added to it. So this is a make your own character kit. So this is a reindeer one, so you've got 2 reindeers in there that you can actually decorate like that. And I actually got this last year in Poundland, you know, didn't use it, so I thought definitely going to use that this year. You know, it's come out from the box in the loft, and we're definitely going to use that this year. So that's going to go into his Christmas Eve box. Okay, the next item that's going to go into his Christmas Eve box, I picked up loads of these foam craft sticker things. So you've got like a snowman, you've got the reindeer, some mittens. They've got double-sided sticky on them, so you can actually stick them onto cards. You're going to make up your own Christmas cards, do a bit of crafts. So this is definitely going into his Christmas Eve box as well. Okay, the next item that's going in, I did actually get this for Oakley to open up on Christmas Day, but I know Christmas Eve he would absolutely love to just have this on, you know. It's a Marvel's Pajama Set, which I picked up in Aldi. So you've got the bottoms, which are nicely tapered in there, and it's got the Adventures logo going right through it. And then the top, he's going to absolutely love this. It's got the top and it's got all the adventures on it. Not all of them, but it's got most of the ones, the most popular ones that he knows anyway. It's got Iron Man on there, Captain America, Hulk, Thor. You know, he would know them more than he would know them more than what I do. So got this, and this is definitely going to go inside his Christmas Eve box. Still quite a lot of room in there. So the last item that's going to go into his Christmas Eve box is this Buildex. This is also from Poundland, and it's a dupe Lego. So this one is the emergency services one, which is a fire squad. So you get 52 brick pieces that makes up this fire truck, and then you've got the character there as well, the fireman there. brilliant. So this is definitely going to keep him occupied and entertained through Christmas Eve. We have got a few movies lined up to watch as well. Just behind me here, he's got his Millions teddy bear. So we're going to definitely be watching Millions during Christmas Eve as well. I didn't put too many sweets and chocolates in. I just put the marshmallows in. Only because I know he only likes the green ones. And there's not many green ones in the packet. There's about 5 in the packet. And he'll probably eat 3 at the most. And me and hubby would eat the rest. So, you know, I know he's going to be so chuffed with his little Christmas Eve box. Just pull it all together. And there you have it. All inside. All in there. Ready to go. Good to go. Lovely. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Short and sweet. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. I have got a few more videos planned for this series leading up to Christmas Eve and leading up to Christmas Day even. You know, let's see how it goes. Let's just see how it goes, you know. But keep tuned, guys. Keep tuned. I really appreciate you all watching. Stay safe, keep well, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye.